Them billet guides. Had to do it.
Plastic ones
Couldn't put
back
in it. I've done it 3 times. Couldn't do it again. These MMR billet guides almost look too good to fucking cover up. One less problem. That's what happens to them. Between the plastic guides breaking and the tensioners that run off oil pressure. Got ratcheting, upgraded tensioners. Ratchet out, they stay, they don't come back. Hopefully I ain't got to again. Everything's been upgraded. Phasers are locked, no problem. Oil pump, high volume, no problem. Plastic braking, no problem. Ratchet tensioners, well, the original ones, but now ratchets upgraded, were no problem.